Receivables expense. At 1 January 20X8, a company had an allowance for receivables of $12,250. At 31 December 20X8, the company's trade receivables were $215,750, and it was decided to write off balances totaling $5,750. The allowance for receivables was to be adjusted to the equivalent of 4% of the remaining receivables. What total figure should appear in the company's statement of profit or loss for receivables expense? Answer: trade receivables, $215,750. Irrecoverable debts write-off, $5,750. Total, $210,000. Closing allowance for receivables, 4% times $210,000, $8,400. Opening allowance, $12,250. Reduction, minus $3,850. Charge, $5,750 minus $3,850 equals $1,900.